SST Summit makes collecting field boundaries simple by importing georeferenced imagery and then allowing you to digitize your field boundary directly from the image. To start digitizing images, simply select the Create Farm and Fields icon on Summit's homepage. You will then be taken to the Adds Field tab within Summit. Since we want to create a new field boundary directly from Summit, select Create New Boundary. Now select Create Boundary using online imagery. For this part, you need to have a high-speed internet connection because the image files that will load are rather large. You can enter the location of your field by latitude and longitude or by typing the nearest town in the text field. If you know the legals of the land, you can use the Public Land Survey system, entering the state, section, township, and range, or search by an airport. For this example, we will enter Stillwater, Oklahoma. Select the town from the drop-down list and then Next. Summit will now open the digitizing tool and load the imagery surrounding Stillwater, Oklahoma. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, you may temporarily see some gray boxes as the images load. For the imagery, I will use the National NAIP images. However, Summit provides additional choices if specialized imagery is available for your region. For instance, if I were to go to Boone, Iowa, I would also have the unique Iowa-specific images from which to digitize boundaries. Once the images have loaded, we will navigate to the specific area that we want to digitize. To move to another portion of the image, select the Pan tool. Click and hold the mouse button down, and then drag the mouse across the screen. This will essentially grab the image and move it across the screen. Once you drag a new portion of the image onto the screen, you may need to wait for the new section to load. As you pan across imagery, any former field boundaries that you have in Summit will appear in blue. You can also display road maps, which at times may make finding a specific location easier. Once you get to the general location of your field, you can zoom in by selecting Zoom In, then click and hold the mouse button down while you drag over a selected area. You can continue to pan and zoom until you are satisfied with the display of your field. Next, we will begin to digitize the field boundary.